Hello, boys and girls. Mr. Palst here today. Our objective is I can understand how to save money. And I look at this picture clues. All right, look at the girl and her mom. They're in a store. Look at what they're looking at, the choices they're going to make. And then here we have a graph, and I love graphs. So even before we go to any questions, I want to look, and it says on the left-hand side, price per share of stock in dollars. And they're skip counted by 5, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And it's a similar way in which clocks skip count by fives with the minute hand, in that there are numbers in between 0 and 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's numbers between 5 and 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on and so forth. On the bottom it says month and has January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now, when looking at this, you can put your finger on January and reach all the way up. What number is that? Yes, I got 20 also. Now let's do the same for February. Put your finger on February, reach it up. Now February is tricky. It looks like it's in between 10 and 15, but closer to 15. So what number do you think it could be? Yeah, if you said 14 or 13, I think both would be correct. March, let's look at March, put your finger on March, and then go all the way up. And a little bit more than 20, but not as close to 25. So what do you think? I'm thinking 21. Okay, April, put your finger on April. And that's a 10, yep. May, between 5 and 10, closer to 10. Say 8. June, 15. July, what'd you get? Me too, 25. August, 30. September. Yeah, I got 18 or 19 for September. October, it's in between 25 and 30, closer to 30. I might say 28. November, 35, and December, 20. Okay, so it's good to do this with the graph first, just because you want to really understand it before we get to questions. All right, so what month had the highest stock? What do you think? Yeah, November. And my thinking is people are getting ready for Christmas, so they're buying a lot of toys. What month had the lowest stock? May. Not that many people are buying toys in May. That's interesting. And what months had $20 per share? January. March is close. We can mark that one off. September and December. Okay. People use their incomes to meet their basic needs. They spend money to buy things they want. Since people cannot have everything, they have to plan how to use their money. A person's plan for spending and saving money is called a budget. Budgets help people manage their money well. Gather information. People of all ages can make and follow simple budgets. Callie, the girl shown here, has decided to make a budget. She will use a small notebook to record the ways she earns and spends her money. There she is. These are some of the ways Callie earned money. You see her notebook right there? So what do you see in these pictures? As I said, boys and girls, picture clues can be very revealing. How is she earning money? Now let's look on the left. Do you know what that's called? Yep, taking out the garbage. What about the top right? Raking the leaves, or you could have said yard work. And the last one on the bottom right? Walking the dog. And all of these are chores. There she is. What is a budget? Let's go back to the text. What is a budget? A person's plan for spending and saving money is called a budget. So it's your plan for spending and saving money. What will she use to record how much money she made? Do you remember? Her notebook, good. And the 3 ways Callie can earn money? What was it again? Taking out the garbage, yard work, and walking the dog. Callie writes down the amount of money she earns from doing extra work around the house. She also writes down money that she receives as a gift or allowance. Then she writes down the items she buys and how much they cost. After a few weeks, Callie would check her notebook. Then she could divide the information into two categories: incoming money and outgoing money. Writing down how she earns and spends money will help her plan a budget. In her notebook, Callie will record how much money she earns for helping do the yard work. Money earned. So yard work is $4 and walking the dog is $2. Now it says gift from grandma for her birthday, $10. And now we have money spent. A movie was $6 and snacks were $4. How much did Callie make doing yard work? Let's look back. $4. She made $4 doing yard work. How much did Callie's grandma give her? Do you remember? $10 for her birthday. Thanks, Grandma. How much did Callie spend at the movies? $6 at the movies. And if you count the snacks, it's $4. And we know that 6 plus 4 equals 10. Organized information. Callie divides incoming money into several smaller categories. These include money earned, allowance, and gifts. Callie then makes categories for outgoing money as well. She starts with food. For snacks, she buys herself. Her list also includes clothes and toys. She will need to add a category for entertainment for the movies she sees. And she is using her notebook. Set up a plan. Callie thinks about the goals she wants to reach. Then she uses her budget to help her work towards them. Suppose she wants to buy a bicycle. Her budget will tell her whether she can buy it now. If not, she will need to save more money. To buy something that costs as much as a bicycle, Callie may have to save for quite a while. When she reaches her goal, though, she will know it was worth the wait. Callie pays for the bicycle with money she earned. Her budget helped her reach this goal. This is an amazing day. Yep, she got it. What are the three categories for incoming money? I remember one was allowance. Do you remember the other two? These include money earned, allowance, and gifts. So there are money earned, allowance, and gifts. What are the four categories for outgoing money? Remember that one? Callie then makes categories for outgoing money as well. She starts with food. So we got food. For snacks she buys herself. Her list also includes clothes and toys. And she will need to add a category for entertainment for the movies she sees. So the four categories are food, clothes and toys, and entertainment. What a great, great story. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned a lot. And pretty impressed with Callie. All right, boys and girls. See you soon.